Hey guys, here's the truth about passive income. It won't just magically appear in your bank account overnight. You will need to put in the time, the work, and the energy before it happens. If you have the ambition to do just that, then this side hustle will show you how to earn passive income from an online funnel set up step by step. And no matter how little time you have in your day, you can learn how to add streams of passive and active income into your life. Okay, the reality is you can do this, even if you only have 10 to 30 minutes a day. I don't want to sound like a jerk, but if you consider 30 minutes into improving your financial life too much, then you've already set up yourself for failure. That's the truth. Your mindset, that matters a lot. And people who succeed don't let being busy hold them back. I've yet to find anyone who doesn't have time to earn more passive income. If you think you're too busy, then reconsider your priorities. Taking time off and having fun, man, that's good. That's awesome. It's just that anything and everything requires cash. So why not focus on learning how to grow your income first so you can be free? Free yourself from stress, from complications, and being too busy your schedule the rest of your life. If that sounds like a better option, then this program is for you. Take the time today to learn, and you'll free up so much time for the rest of your life. Just don't take too long. This won't last forever. Okay, here's the thing. Get in now. Start your first lesson. Do you want to? Comment lesson, and I'll send you the link to check it out. Okay? All the best. Peace.